Okay, so let me in this video show you how you can generate videos using Google's AI completely for free. So Google has a bunch of different ways to getting access to their different AI models. You can, for example, use the Gemini website or some other websites that Google has also created, but most of them don't allow you to generate videos for free. But there is one specific URL, which is going to be aistudio.google.com that I'm showing on the screen right now. And if you go ahead and go to that one, you'll be able to get access to Gemini 2.5 Pro, as you can see right here, which is basically just their normal text AI. You'll be able to get access to Stream, where you can show the AI your screen, which I'll be making a more in-depth video on later. And also, the most important one for us in this video is going to be Generate Media. As you can see here, you can do a bunch of different things. You can create interactive and other types of music. You can use it to generate images and also generate high quality text to speech with the use of Gemini. Down here you can see some examples, and from the look of this one, for example, you can see that it does look really good. I accidentally started creating one here, so I guess we'll just oh, you can actually see it actually failed right here. It said failed to generate video, quota exceeded due to high demand, video is currently at capacity, please try again in a few moments. So that is one of the disadvantages of using this free version of Google AI Studio to access VO, and that is that you are not the priority when generating stuff on the Google servers, because you're not paying for this tool, and that's why you're sometimes going to get this message that you can't generate a video. If I just try a normal prompt here and go ahead and run that, you can see that it does tell me that the user has exceeded quota. But I have generated videos in the past, so I do know that this does work. You can change some settings here as well, from VO2 and how many results you want, what aspect ratio you want, so if you want it to be horizontal or vertical video, and even the duration here. Do keep in mind though that when you're generating these videos, you aren't going to get audio with them, because that is for the people that actually pay for the software. But I'm pretty sure you can add images to the prompt to be able to give it a certain style that you want it to generate. So it's basically just going from a photo to a video, which can also be really useful. I will of course also link this website in the description so that you can get quick access to it, and yeah, I hope this video helped you out.